Halos ano lamang. Dito lamang ako nagka-picture. Baka ma-discover. Baka sakali ma-discover. Dito ka.
She doesn't know about me.
Basang-basa ang kilikili ni Ato yan.
I can tell her my
Basang-basa ang
trouble.
kilikili ni Ato din.
She made me dance and cry.
October. Sino mo? October.
I can make up
20 ako. Ayun ako October. Ano 20 to? Ang 20. Lolo yung may birthday ng
We
October.
can talk tomorrow.
Hindi ka yung may birthday. Birthday ni Mika.
I tell her things that I wanna do. But girl, I can tell her about you.
Baka kapagyan.
How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So
Baka sakali ma-discover ko yan.
tell me how to tell about you.
Wala naman ito eh. Wala. Tawa.
How can I tell her I could miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you that you do every single night and day? But where is easy? There is someone really true. Help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So tell me
Namumula ka na. Para ka nagpapasyon na. Ano na kaya pasyon na kaya? Namumula ka na, Andrew. Namumula. Nagiging ano na, nagiging. Oo, ginaganaan yung ano, senior. Ginaganaan yung senior na. Mga kapado ni Nini. Senior mo na. Ginaganaan ng senior.